have to do some recording here. Looking for some cables. I definitely found some cables, but they are in the nature. This means there are deer here, which probably will give me ticks. So I have to be careful to shower off afterwards. Oh! This is a little bit more muddy than I had planned on it being. Dang it, it's right there. Oh, there's a frog. Hello. All sorts of nature. Okay. I have my little metal tapping object. Let's see if this does anything. Ooh. Okay, that's not terrible. Well, let's see if that was any good. I don't know if it was worth these guys, but we'll see in a minute.